If you feel warm standing on your porch, you've already failed the run. Here's the physiological math behind the 20-degree rule that prevents cardiac drift. Marketing campaigns push thermal regulation tech, but physics dictates the 20-degree rule. You must dress as if it is 20 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 Celsius, warmer than the air temperature. Your body generates massive heat output, about 800 to 1,000 watts at threshold pace. If you dress for the static temperature, you trap that heat. The result isn't just discomfort, it's cardiac drift. Your heart rate rises disproportionately to cool you down, killing your performance metrics regardless of your fitness level. Let's apply this to specific zones. Above 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, minimalism is the only goal. Think ultralight mesh like the 2025 Nike Aeroswift line. Between 10 and 20 degrees Celsius, adding sleeves is usually a mistake unless you're in Zone 1 recovery. The 0 to 10 degrees Celsius, 3250 degrees Fahrenheit range is where most runners fail. You need gloves, not a heavy jacket. A long sleeve base layer is sufficient here. Only below freezing do we introduce wind protection, but we must prioritize breathability over waterproofing. Here is the biggest marketing lie: waterproof running jackets. Even with modern membrane tech, if moisture can't escape fast enough, you get wet from sweat inside. Unless it's a torrential downpour, a DWR-treated wind shell beats Gore-Tex every time for high-output running. Wind chill alters the math drastically. A 5 degrees Celsius day with 30 kilometers per hour winds creates a real feel of -5 degrees Celsius. This is where the wind vest becomes the single most undervalued piece of gear in your arsenal. It protects the vital organs while venting heat through the armpits. For night running, passive reflectivity is non-negotiable. The 2026 Brooks Run Visible Collection uses biomotion markers that identify you as a human to drivers, not just a static reflection. Don't rely on cool, dark colors. We are seeing smart fabrics claiming active heating, but the science suggests it's mostly a gimmick for runners. Your metabolic heat is sufficient. Save your money for high-quality merino blends like Tracksmith's Brighten Base Layer, which actually manages moisture effectively. You don't need a closet full of gear. 90% of your yearly runs can be covered by a 4-piece capsule, a high-quality long-sleeve base, a windproof vest, light tights, and a buff. This system layers up or down from -5 degrees to 15 degrees Celsius perfectly. Here is your 2026 buying matrix. For budget, Decathlon's Kip Run line offers incredible value. For the best balance of price and performance, look at Patagonia's Houdini Air. If you want the absolute best breathability, the Gorewear Concurve is the premium pick. Start cold, ditch the waterproofs, and trust the wind vest.